Not welcome back. Welcome to Teardown. I know you guys have been waiting for this video for like ever now, but we're doing it now. That's all that matters. Anyways, let's go into a map. Let's go into no, that's not it. Yes, this. Okay, so we're gonna do a story type of thing. Yeah? Actually, no. Let's just do it. Look, I think there's like a story type of thing to this and stuff. So let's just do it. Alright, so. Oh wait, I guess it's still the sandbox, but whatever. So first of all, let's explore the plane. Oopsies, I broke it. But I've already seen the entire plane, so yeah. Now let's airstrike the plane. So sir, what would you like for your food? Your snack? I would like a bomb. Okay. Hey, Rojo, just kidding. I hope you don't know what your bomb does. Was that a tornado? Shot down by a tornado? Also, guys, I know I've been gone for a while, and it was just because I was taking a break. Yeah, it totally wasn't because I accidentally sound myself out. Yeah. Well, it wasn't because I sound myself out. Yeah. No. Man, I'm dead. I'm okay. Boom. Oh, okay, we're here. Dang, the bomb did insane damage. I cooked the plane. Now let's cook the plane even more. Ow! Don't let it fall. We're still here? It's not like that whole part of the plane just got blown off. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Alright, we don't need that. Yeah, right? We don't need it. Alright, so. What's the napalm bomb? What the? Oh, it's like fire. Okay, it's fire. So I don't need to break that. That. Right, am I right? Who needs this? Who needs this stuff? In fact, so that goes boom. We're just gonna absolutely destroy all this. Okay, that's gone. Going down. No, we're not. We're not going down. Oh. We are just murdering the plane. That is what you're doing. You're just destroying the entire plane. No mercy to the plane. No mercy. Hey, laddies. No mercy. Why is it floating? Why is it floating? There's still stuff there. There, finally. Jeez, now are we going down? We don't have any engines. Keep us floating. Oh yeah, we're going down. Everybody, we're going down. We're going down. Everybody that's still alive, we're going down. Oh, you're not alive. Yeah, everybody's dead. Oh no, we're going down. Wait, the captains, we're going down. We're going down. We're going down. Oh no. Oh, Still good. Fine. Is anything right? Am I right? Yeah, who needs this stuff? Yeah, who needs any of this? Let me just do that. Oh! Just get rid of more of the plane. And boom! Ow! If we weren't going down already, then we definitely are now. Oh yeah, I see the ground. No! Oh. Oh no. That was a close one. Oh, we have an air mask. Just... Yum. Wait, how are we not going down? How are we still here? Just airstrike. And a boom! There. We should be going down. If we aren't, then I have no idea how to stop this plane. Oh no. Oh no! What the heck? What's this? Now you have the wire from. When are we going down? That's my one question. What are we going down? How strong can the plane be? Oh, when is the plane going down? I've destroyed this entire plane, and it has yet to go down. Maybe if I spawn a tornado? Oh yeah. Yeah, a tornado is definitely gonna help take this whole thing down. We're on one big tornado! Oh no. Call an airstrike! Call an airstrike! Call an airstrike! Spawn it. That's how much I'm destroying the plane. To the point where literally dying. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, so let's go back to the main menu. Now let's go to miniature world. Yeah? Alright. Bada boom, bada pow. We're almost there, ka-chow. There, we're here. So we're here in the miniature world. Yeah, yeah. Also, if you guys have any tips in the comments, then I will read it. And yeah, but I think the only tip I want is how to fly. If I have to download a mod to fly, then I guess I'll do that. But if I don't need a mod to fly, then please tell me, guys, because it's getting so annoying having to walk around. Like, oh my, it's so annoying. So if you know how to fly without a mod, or if you do need a mod to fly, then tell me, because I need to know. Anyways, we have weapons. This big ball. Just yay! No, the ball. Oh, hey, go. That thing's gone, bro. Anyways, let's use the smaller ball. Yeah. Oh my. That thing just absolutely destroyed that. Let's use our big hammer to destroy everything with the hammer. Oh, my hammer's stuck. Oh my, that lagged my game. Help! The game is lagging. What the? Where am I? Help! Where am I? Well, this seems like a good place to end off the video. Well, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Maybe the next video will be a doors video, or the world box video, because the world box video got insanely good views. You guys really loved the world box video, so I guess that'll be the next video. Alright. See you guys. Bye.